Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why your salary disappears so quickly? You work hard, you earn money, but by the end of the month, your account is nearly empty. Many people think the problem is low income, but in reality, the problem is often poor money habits. Today, I'm going to share the 5 biggest money mistakes that stop people from saving money. If you avoid these mistakes, you can start building your savings and improve your financial future. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Spending without a budget. The first and biggest mistake is spending money without a budget. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. They spend on food, shopping, entertainment, subscriptions, and other expenses without keeping track. Then, at the end of the month, they wonder why there's nothing left. A budget helps you control your money instead of letting your money control you. One simple budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for necessities, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investments. When you start tracking your expenses, you become more aware of your spending habits and can identify areas where you can save money. Mistake number 2. Buying things to impress others. The second mistake is spending money to impress people. Many people buy expensive phones, branded clothes, luxury watches, or other expensive items mainly because they want others to notice them. The truth is that most people are not paying as much attention to you as you think. Wealthy people focus on growing their money. They invest, save, and make smart financial decisions. People who constantly try to look rich often struggle financially behind the scenes. Before making an expensive purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Am I buying this because I need it, or because I want other people to be impressed? That question alone can save you a lot of money. Mistake number 3. Not paying yourself first. The third mistake is not paying yourself first. Most people follow this formula. Income minus expenses equals savings. They spend money throughout the month and then try to save whatever is left. Unfortunately, there's usually very little left to save. A better approach is, income minus savings equals expenses. As soon as you receive your salary, immediately transfer a portion into a savings account. Even saving 10% of your income consistently can make a huge difference over time. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid every month. Mistake number 4. Ignoring small daily expenses. The fourth mistake is ignoring small expenses. People often focus only on large purchases and overlook small daily spending habits. For example, daily coffee, food delivery, unused subscriptions, impulse purchases. These expenses may seem small individually, but they add up over time. Imagine spending just $5 every day. Over a year, that's more than $1,800. Small expenses can quietly drain your finances without you noticing. Take some time to review your spending and eliminate expenses that don't provide real value. Mistake number 5. Having no financial goals. The fifth mistake is having no financial goals. Saving money becomes much easier when you have a clear purpose. Instead of saying, I want to save money, set a specific goal, such as building an emergency fund, buying a car, starting a business, paying off debt, saving for a home. Specific goals give you motivation and help you stay focused. When you know exactly what you're saving for, you're much less likely to waste money on unnecessary purchases. Final thoughts. Let's quickly review the 5 biggest money mistakes. Spending without a budget, buying things to impress others, not paying yourself first, ignoring small daily expenses, having no financial goals. Avoiding these mistakes won't make you rich overnight, but it will help you take control of your finances and build better money habits. Remember, financial success is not only about how much money you earn. It's also about how well you manage the money you already have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs these money-saving tips. Comment below and tell me, which of these money mistakes do you think is the most common? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.